Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and by the way, this is our first video, so please make sure to subscribe this channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text behind object using CapCut. So let's do this. But before we start the tutorial, smash the like button. So let's get started. First, import the video that you want to add text. Now click on text and write what you want. I am going to write please wear masks because it will match the video. Once you're done with text, export this video. As you can see, the video has been exported, but you have to go back. Now delete this text that you add. Now you can see a plus sign on the right. Click on that and import that video that you recently exported. Now see that part very carefully. Now you can see the video that has text is second one, but it has to be first one in our timeline. So this is what I'm going to do. Click on second video and shift it to first. Now what we have to do is click on second video that has no text, and you can see a menu bar come out that has all the functions of CapCut app if you want overlays. Now you can see the difference. The second video that has no text is added to the overlay section, but you have to check one thing is duration. If both the video did not have same duration, then this will be not work. It will be fail. Now click on the overlay section video, and now you can see a menu bar again. Now go to the cutout section and remove background, and that's it. Here is the final result. Now if you enjoyed that video, please make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon also. And if you like that video, so please share this video with your friends and comment down below. See you very soon. Take care and bye bye.